Hello, my YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm playing Animal Jam. We're gonna change up my look because I'm not really feeling this whole thing. I want gold talons, tiara, and I think we're good. Now let's see. Whoa. I like that dark color. I like that dark color. What if I was black? Oh, that's so cool. That looks super cool. But we're keeping casual look. Okay, we'll go for that. I don't know why, but it keeps going there. There we go. We'll keep that nice look. Sparkly head bow. Oh, that's cute. That is, wow. That's cool too. Send him kisses. I'll think about it maybe. XO baby. Uh-oh, here we go. You send him kisses. I didn't know that I'm in with his missus. Okie dokie. I'm nice and ready. Let's do some drama derby because, like, I don't know why, but I'm in love with the drama derby. In love with the drama derby. We're going to win these. Sorry there's no sound. Last time I did this, I didn't post it, probably because you couldn't hear anything. You just heard what happened in the back. But anyway, I won! Gasp face, winky face, ninja, smiley, yee. First place is the best. First place is the best. Second place and fourth place is pretty good too. But sixth place, that ain't good. That's the tiebreaker. That's the rule breaker. That's not good. Anyway, let's go again. Yeah. Daredevil Golden Moon. You can find me on Animal Jam because I'm playing it all the time, and Roblox Adriana1234. But I won't be on that for a while, so I mean, second place is pretty good, but yeah, it's good. It's good. We're good. Sixth place is the worst. Only people that don't have like a lot of good experience get second. Get sixth. Sorry. First, second, and third is super good, but the rest of it.
AJ, look, I'm going to open this up.
Yes! Let's win this. Whoa.
Pokemon sticker. We're going to place a Pokemon sticker there.
What I meant to do?
But then I want to open it and place it.
Shoot. Crap! And that's whatever. Still, second place is still good. But that person who was in the fifth or the sixth place, they got it good. I feel bad for that person who just went smiley face, cool face. Prince Wonky Jr., this person down here in sixth place, is not that good at it. Not that good at all. let's go again. And this time I'll use a carrot first. I mean, that's not the most effective way. You just have to wait till everybody else uses their carrots, and then you can beat them fair and square. But hope you enjoy spending time with me and me losing to everybody I know. Oh, I won. Well, I'm tired. Well, from the bubble thought, that's what people think. But that was just like easy. I'm not being cocky, like at all. I'm not a cocky person. I'm not a cocky person, so. Okay, let's go again. Yeah, let's use this efficient way. But not all of them. They're using my tactic. Boy, don't test me.
I saw it, baby. Come on, get dressed so we can go grocery shopping, please.
Winner! Chicken dinner! Okay, thank you, and see you on my next video.